Hey guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and here I have a 354 milliliter bottle of skin relieving Aveeno. This one is amazing. It has oatmeal in it, and it also has soothing, cooling menthol. So if you have very dry, irritated skin that hurts, the menthol actually soothes and cools this down, and then the itching becomes less intense. This goes on your skin. It is not greasy. It goes right in. You can barely even see that it was there, and it soothes that dryness right away. The thing I like about this bottle as well is you're able to take it when you travel because the top of it can lock and the lotion won't come out if you try to push on the pump. So you don't have to worry about it being in your suitcase or a bag and it's gonna get everywhere. I absolutely love this stuff. I know it's great for eczema because myself and my children do have it. So this is something that I like to keep on hand, especially with the cooling menthol. It helps so much, but that's just my point of view.